not alone enough to fix the problems with ICBC, but part of a larger package. It's an important contribution to also prevent the legal costs from spiraling out of control.
Another effort is underway to help extinguish the so-called dumpster fire burning at ICBC. This time, it's a change coming to our legal system to address losses, and it could affect the way your injury claims are settled. The province is capping the number of expert witnesses that will be allowed to be used if a case is taken to court.
The current system permits unlimited use of adversarial experts and expert reports by both sides in litigation, creating unsustainable costs and unacceptable delays.
BC's Attorney General says those involved in the injury claims will now only be able to each use one expert report for fast-track claims and up to 3 for all others.
The only other additional experts allowed will be joint or court-appointed experts where they are needed with the approval of the court and the oversight of a judge.
The BC Trial Lawyers Association's released a statement saying it's concerned that this government seems to favor ICBC's financial interests over the legal rights of British Columbians. And this rush to pass restrictions on how victims of negligence must prove their cases at law is the most recent illustration of making car accident victims pay for reckless driving. But one expert argues that limiting expert witnesses can be useful from an economic point of view.
Experts are important, but too many experts can also be a legal tactic, because too many experts means it's becoming more expensive, because at some point it's less costly to settle than to face yet more costs from expert witnesses.
Last week, EB said the auto insurer saw an $860 million loss in the first 9 months of the fiscal year. He also claims the agency's on track for a year-end loss of $1.18 billion.
Costs have been spiraling out of control, and something needed to be done to keep a lid on these costs.
In Vancouver, Andrea Macpherson, City News.